Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to send large videos on heavy videos on WhatsApp. And this is an easy process to do. And the only thing you need to do is when you the first thing you need to know is when you send a video with the option of video of camera on WhatsApp, like that option just give it to you to send videos like in a 30 seconds or a minute. This is the maximum of the time you can send a video, 1 minute. But if you want to send a more heavy video, you need to pick in the option of documents. In the option of documents, in the bottom of the clip, you pick in documents, and you get the option of send a large video like a document, and the other person only need download the archive, and that's it. That person got the video. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.